What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. And as promised, it's arrived. The Honor Magic V2 global version is in my hands, and it's got every feature you could want. Today, I am going to unbox, show you how the setup went, and talk a little bit about my plans with the Honor Magic V2. Let's go. So as you can see, straight out the gate, there's already some key differences between getting this Honor Magic V2, the global version. Sorry, my hands are wet. Just wash them. Stay hygienic, boys. Yeah, difference between getting this Honor Magic V2 global and the one you would import from WONDA. First big difference is an included 66 watt UK charging plug with a USB-C to USB-A cable. I like that touch. A lot of people send you that OnePlus send you a plug but no cable. However, a cable's included in the box. The strange thing is, I'm assuming there's a cable in the box as well. So really, I've got two cables. I like that. Now, there's an outer sleeve to the Honor Magic V2. This will be my 4th edition of the V2, and none of them came with an outer sleeve, not even the Ultimate. So this is the 512GB in black version, nothing else on the sleeve. So I'll crack out my jerry rig everything knife. Now there we go. That is what we're more used to seeing from the Honor Magic V2 box. Let me just move this charger out the way. So, open up. No matter how many Honor Magic V2s I buy, doing this still absolutely amazes me. Look how thin it is. For reference, there's my S24 Ultra. Look how goddamn thin it is. And light. Again, S24 Ultra is a bit lighter, but this is only 10 grams heavier, roughly. So I'm going to pop that to the side just now and see what else we get in the box. Again, I'm expecting to see a cable and a case. From what I've been told, it's not the carbon fiber case that I had with my other ones, but time will tell. Oh, look at that. It's a different layout of box. Normally you'd have the plug and a cable, so maybe that's why Honor are sending the cable. Ah, okay. So SIM ejection tool. I know, see, there we go, perfect. Another cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. Hallelujah. So that's 2 cables, brilliant. Some manuals. Ah, look what they've done here. You were correct, my group. This is a new and upgraded case, I would say. The old case never had the hinge protection. It did have a kickstand. There we go. It did have a kickstand, but it was carbon. This one is like a vegan leather feeling. And that hinge protector. Okay, I'm excited to get this snapped on the device. Speaking of the device, here it is. You could have got this in the purple colour. Both variants come in 512GB. I decided to bring it full circle, and I went back to the first ever Honor Magic V2 I purchased, and I got the vegan leather black one. Holy mackerel. Again, I've said it before. Look at that, folks. People sleep on this. Where is the crease? Show me the crease for this foldable phone. Come on. Run your finger across it. I know you can't do that, but even when you run your finger across it, there's barely any crease. And again, just for comparison's sake, the folded V2 is, what would you say, thinner than an S24 Ultra with a thin case on it. Wow, what do you think looks better? The Pitaka case in the Samsung or the Au Naturel on the V2? Now, I said I'd pop the case on, so let's do that. That's my Mario Brothers ringtone. Don't know if that came through. That is the hinge protected with the case and the back protected. Now, I personally don't really usually rock a case, so for me, probably not going to use this very much. So I'll pop that off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this started, all set up, which should be easy, transferring from one Android to the other, and then I'll bring it back to how I've set up my device. So here it is, the Honor Magic V2. I have set it up, and all I had to do for the first time, this is my 4th V2, I just plugged this cable into this phone and this part of the cable into this phone, and as if by magic, look at this. Here's my Samsung with all the apps, and here is my Honor Magic V2. Now you have to have the cable plugged in for about 5 minutes while that does the initial downloading of your Wi-Fi settings, your display settings, and then gets to know all your Google apps, but the app installation itself takes place in the background. Oh, what have we got here? I just want to see my notifications. Okay. Okay, come on. That's the panel. There's the notification. So you can see there the apps are downloading in the background. Now, straight out of the box, full Google services. There's the Play Store. There's my Google Drive. If I go into settings, because I know you all want to see this. So if we go to settings and then more connections, folks, Android Auto. There we go. Hoorah. Now I also know that you will be able to pair any Wear OS smartwatch with this device. This is a good day. A good day for average dad foldable phone fans. If only Pitaka had done a case for the Honor Magic V2. Now that it's global, maybe they will. So there we have it, the unboxing experience, as always, with Chinese foldable phones is fantastic. The fact that Honor have included a plug and another cable, guys, I know it's only an extra cable, but bear in mind, Sony, for example, won't even ship you one cable, let alone two, when you purchase a device. And can we also bear in mind that the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V is the same price as this folding Honor Magic V2 at $12.99. Anyway, I could go on a tangent about Sony all day, but I won't. What I will do is tell you what I'm going to do with this. So the Honor Magic V2, I've been reading your comments. I know exactly what you want to see. There will be the obvious, first impressions and review of the global version. But what you want to see is comparisons. I'll be comparing the Honor Magic V2 with the OnePlus Open, the Samsung Z Fold 5, and for me personally, one of the more exciting comparisons, I'm going to compare this with a Chinese Honor Magic V2 Ultimate. Yes, the Ultimate 1TB version with the stylus pen. I'm going to compare the two and hopefully help your purchasing decision easier, although on this occasion, I might just make it harder. So, the support over the past few weeks has been unbelievable. Well, a few years to be honest, but a few weeks, everything's just ramping up. So I appreciate that. If you still haven't already, which if I look at analytics, about 64% of you haven't, please smash subscribe just down here. It means a lot to the channel. If you want to see more content on foldable phones from China, love this device. Until next time.